Hey there, Shamshad is here. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can animate image in Microsoft PowerPoint. So why not jump on my PC and learn this very quickly. I'm here on my PC with Microsoft PowerPoint open. Go to Insert tab, add an image, and then click on this image. Go to Animations. Click on this drop down. Go to the bottom of this. You'll find Custom Path. Click on this. You can make any directions of as per your requirement. For this tutorial, I'm gonna make a direction something like this and double click on that. Once you click on that, you'll see image is transitioning from place A to place B. Now again click on this particular image, go to this drop down option, and you can make this transition very smooth. So I'm gonna make it 0 second for the start. I'm again gonna make it 0 second for end. Go to timing tab, click on with previous, and you can select the duration also. You can set the duration between A to B, and we have different options available like very fast, medium, slow, very slow, and extremely slow. For this tutorial, I'm gonna select very slow, 5 seconds around, and repeat until end of the slide. Click OK. Now you will see it's transitioning from A place to B place very slowly, and to some extent it is very smooth, and it is up to you what direction that you wanna use. Let's see in a slideshow mode as well here, and it will repeat until you move to the next slide. So that's all from this tutorial. You can get very complex with this. You can add multiple images, you can group images, you can add different directions, and you can do all kinds of animation with this. I just wanted to give you a quick look at some of the capabilities that we have in MS PowerPoint. Go ahead and use that. Hope you love this tutorial. Share your thought in the comment box, and I will see you guys in the next video with another tutorial. Until then, bye bye, take care.